How to delete all chats in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how I can delete all chats on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete all chats on Messenger, go and launch the Messenger application here. Now if you want to delete a chat with a certain person, long press on it and then just tap on delete. And this is basically one by one process, and this is the only way to delete chats. You have to repeat the process one after another for all of these chats. Now you might be telling me there's too many chats for you to delete. Well, there are also third-party ways, but I wouldn't recommend you do it because that is going to give Meta a direct red flag as to why they should ban your account. So if you're using any third-party services, do not give your information just like that, because your Facebook or your Messenger is also a sensitive information. You don't want to hand out. The only best way to do it is to simply long press and then just select your chats that you want to delete, tap on the delete option and then tap on delete over here. This way you'll be able to delete chats on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.